Hello, Team Green. Let's get ready for calendar. Today's a special day because today is Friday. Friday, August 28th. And let's see what we have today. Monkeys. Look at all those monkeys. Ooh, I see some monkeys that are in the tree. And I see a monkey on the ground. And I see some monkeys in the barrel. Let's see. I think we should do an equation for the monkeys in the tree and the monkeys that are not in the tree. So they're on the barrel or on the ground. So let's count. How many monkeys in the tree? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and 4. 4 monkeys in the tree. And 1, 2, 3, 4 monkeys not in the tree. Let's write that. So we have 4 monkeys in the tree. And what did that word mean, that and word? Plus. And 4 monkeys not in the tree equals how many monkeys in all? This is actually a doubles fact. These are one of those facts that we want to memorize. So 4 plus 4, does anybody already know what that is? Let's count all the monkeys together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Can you say that? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Woohoo! All right, let's see. What else could we do? How about we do the trees? Did you notice that there were trees here? So let's talk about the monkeys and the trees all together, because we can talk about all the living things here. So we know we have 8 monkeys because we just added it up. And we have 1, 2, 3 trees. So what's 8? And that's our plus. We want to add the trees. So we had 3 trees. I almost forgot. How many monkeys and trees in all? Let's count. So we have our 8 monkeys. So sometimes what I do, instead of going through and counting all the monkeys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I just say, you know what? I already know we have 8 monkeys. So I'm going to start at 8. So I touch my head and I say, 8. And then we count on 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11 things in all. Nice job, friends. Okay, so I am so excited for today. I've been telling you about that today's going to be a big day. I hope that you have been watching your place value videos talking about the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, because we're going to add a day of school and we're going to need to know all about that. So here's a day of school for today. Will you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're gonna put all of our little babies. We have 10 babies. And I put them back in there, and I'm gonna get my digits out. So in order to make the number 10, I need a 1 and a 0. That's how I write the number 10. And I know all of you know how to write the number 10. A 1 and a 0. And I don't have an extra 0, so I'm going to borrow these. A 1 and a 0 makes 10. But here's the problem. And I was talking to you about this in my video and some of the other videos that you've seen, is you cannot have 2 digits. These cards are like digits. See how they have two different digits? This is a digit, this is a digit. We need 2 digits to make the number 10, and you can't have 2 digits in any of these bedrooms. So we have to fix the problem. We went from 9 babies, and once we get to 10, we get to make a bundle, a bundle. Watch with me. So I'm gonna put these back in here. We have 10 of these sticks. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to make a bundle. Will you sing with me? We go like this. Let me get my rubber band. Here we go. Ready? Bundle, bundle, bundle. Bundle, bundle, bundle. Did you sing that with me? Bundle, bundle, bundle. Now that this is a bundle of 10, it's just the same as, I'm going to show you a friend here, the same as Big Brother. Big Brother has 10 blocks in him, and this bundle has 10 sticks. So sometimes we make a Big Brother with blocks, and sometimes we make a Big Brother with sticks. These are the same. They're both big brothers. So if this is a big brother, am I going to put him in the baby's room? Goodness, no. Big brothers belong in the brother's room. So he gets to graduate over into the tens room. He's so happy he's not a baby anymore. So this would be in here too. This big brother would be in this middle bedroom. So now we need to count all of our sticks and get some cards. So I have them over here. So we have, how many babies? Get ready, we're gonna count all the babies. You see all the babies right here? I need you to help me count them. Ready? 0. That was a trick. There are 0 babies. I know that was so hard to count. It was such a big number. We have 0 babies. Now, when we count our big brothers, we have to count the whole big brother. Okay? He's one whole bundle. So we say 1. We have 1 bundle. Because when he's in the big brother's room, we don't like to break them all up. We like to say 1 bundle. There it is. And get ready, let's count our hundreds. How many hundreds do we have? 0. That was a hard one, huh? All right, so this is where we say, repeat after me. You say, repeat after you. 0 hundreds, 0 hundreds. 1 10, 1 10. And 0 ones, 0 ones. Makes the number. What number does this make? This is a little bit tricky because remember, when the zeros are in front, they really don't even need to be there, okay? But when the zeros are behind a number, like this 0 is being blocked by this 1, so he needs to stay there. So I'll take this one out so that you don't get confused. But really, this makes the number 10. We are in the double digits of school. Double digits. That means 2 digits. That means we finally have big brothers. We haven't had big brothers for so long. And one day, you guys, one day, we're going to have so many big brothers in here that we're going to end up having 2 digits. And we're going to have to make a gigantic bundle, and that's going to be a mom. One day, we're going to have a mom or a hundreds in our chart on the 100th day of school, and we'll celebrate that. So our job now is we're going to try to keep putting babies in here, graduating them into big brothers, and then eventually we'll have 10 big brothers, and we can make them into a big, big bundle. Let's count by tenths. Are we ready? We're going to get our 0 fist here. And today we have 10 days of school. So let's count by regular tens. Here we go. So you can see there's 1 in the tens place, and there's 0 babies. So we have 1 and 0 babies. Here we go. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's count back down. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Nice job, friends. So let's write one of those. If today there's 10 days of school, I want to add a 10 stick. That means I'm going to add a big brother. So if we, instead of having only one big brother, what would it be if we had 2 big brothers? Well, let me write this down. I'm not going to do anything to the babies. So over here, I'm going to do 10 more and 10 less. I'm going to leave the babies as a 0. So you can see these zeros. It's going to have 0 babies, 0 babies. So if today there's 10 days of school, what if I added a big brother? So instead of 10, we had 20. So that's 10 more because I added a 10 stick. So that's 10 more. So instead of 10, we would have 20. What if we took away a 10 or took away a big brother? Took them away. Then what would we have? Let's see. If we have 10 days of school, but we're going to leave the babies the same, and we're going to take away a big brother. How many days of school would that be? 0. So we just leave that there. We could put a double 0, but we normally would just have the 0. So 10 less would be 0, and 10 more would be 20. Nice job learning with me today, friends. I hope you enjoy all your schoolwork today. I hope you have a great weekend, and maybe you sleep in and do something fun, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, friends.